Build a streamlined, secure workstation for your iPad with CTA Digital's desktop anti-theft stand. This stylish aluminum enclosure brings simplicity, functionality, and theft protection to your workspace, making it a perfect fit for classrooms, conference rooms, retail points of sale, and more. The hinged tablet enclosure cradles and protects your tablet, locking it in with included keys, and rotates a full 360 degrees for easy shifts between portrait and landscape orientations. The case is designed to allow full access to your tablet's buttons, cameras, charging port, and headphone jack for compatibility with credit card readers. Also included are a stylus and elastic tether, plus a built-in holder on the stand base. This series is available in models designed for iPad mini and mid-size iPads, including iPad Air, iPad Pro 9.7, iPad Generation 5, and iPad Generations 2 through 4. The stand is available in both silver and black.